we have got 4 satellite channels. Peace TV English, Peace TV Urdu, Peace TV Bangla, Peace TV Chinese. Peace TV English alone is on 15 satellites, having a viewership of 100 million.
Yes.
Potential viewers, 2 billion.
Yes.
Potential viewer means it's coming into the house, they may watch, they may not watch. May watch, may not watch. Actual viewers is 100 million. Peace TV Urdu was launched in 2009, English 2006. Now it is about 17 years old, Peace TV English.
Right.
Or yes, 17 years. Then Urdu was launched in 2009, having a viewership of 80 million. Then we launched Peace TV Bangla in 2011, having a viewership of 50 million. And 2015 we launched Peace TV Chinese, having a viewership of 20 million. But the quality, what we did, we analyzed the channels which are haram, entertainment, but we took the technology which is halal. But the product, content is haram. So we take the technology which is halal and we use it for that, and that's the reason the viewership increased.